20 advanced English sentences.
Normal English, I'm very happy. Advanced English, I'm over the moon.
Normal English. I am not interested in dancing. Advanced English. Dancing is not my cup of tea.
Normal English, I'm very tired. Advanced English, I'm exhausted.
Normal English. I'm hungry. Advanced English. I'm starving.
Normal English, I'm busy. Advanced English, I'm swamped.
Normal English. I'm good. Advanced English. I'm excellent.
Normal English, I fell asleep. Advanced English, I nodded off.
Normal English. I'm calm. Advanced English. I'm cool as a cucumber.
Normal English, I'm a bit busy. Advanced English, I'm a bit tied up.
Normal English. I feel sad. Advanced English. I feel blue.
Normal English, I'm fit and healthy. Advanced English, I'm fit as a fiddle.
Normal English. Are you crazy? Advanced English. Are you nuts?
Normal English, why are you so angry? Advanced English, why are you so pissed off?
Normal English. Can I come tomorrow? Advanced English. Can I drop in tomorrow?
Normal English, let's meet today. Advanced English, let's catch up today.
Normal English. Let's stop work. Advanced English. Let's call it a day.
Normal English, let's drink some coffee. Advanced English, let's go grab some coffee.
Normal English. Text me. Advanced English. Hit me up.
Normal English, it's time to study. Advanced English, it's time to hit the book.
Normal English. Think about it. Advanced English. Sleep on it.
Thanks for watching.